Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text across columns in InDesign. Let's get started. So at first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then I am align text across column. Now firstly select the text box and go to the view menu and click grids and guides, and you can see here are many menu. Now click show baseline grid. Now then select the text box and go to the Windows menu and click type and tables, then go to the paragraph. Then you can see here are the paragraph panel. Now I am click align to baseline grid, then click this, then increase the text box size here, then click OK. Now you can see align text across column in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.